Hallmark. This one at Samarahan here.
Yeah. To go inside there.
To go inside there.
KL.
Samarahan, this one. They have the branch in Samarahan here.
But you see the one Japan truck, I think.
The same ah. Wisma Min Leong there.
No, different. White color. White.
Let's see what they have here, guys.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. So now we want to go to Wisma Min Leong at Kota Samarahan here. So stay tuned for our video. Okay.
Stay tuned for our video. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Okay. Come. They're selling for the chairs. Jamban. Jamban ah. Come. Later we see what they have. Come. Ah, we see the pen there. How much? Come. Alan. One. 98 there. Nippon pen.
Oh, mommy.
Ah?
In this story,
Follow Dede. Son. Want to buy pen? Want to pen our wall, our living room wall. They turn it.
okay.
Turn left. Left. Here. That one, this one is to pen the wall ka, the living room wall ka. Indo boleh ha. Ini Indo, 50 ringgit deh. Buttercup. Hah?
Green one, the green one.
Oh, the green one only they have.
For sandal.
Oh. This one got lah. Premium. Ada that one day no?
The white color.
Oh. Black and white. Nippon pen oh. So we get the buttercup color is something like yellowish beyond. Yellowish color. Put in the trolley, Bryson. We want to pen our living room there. Okay, thank you. Careful eh. Blue, yeah. Mau gawai deh. Careful. Can get one set. Get one. Put there. Okay, we go in. Okay. Come.
Leong Homan. Opa. $190 deh. 190 cheap.
Jadi testing the drill deh. Testing the drill. All the one they okay now, the tools. Complete the one that you always use one, nah? Asan?
So fancy the sink. Apa jual? Apa jual? Ya. $159 deh. Top media. $159.
170.
Oh, retail price. Biasa na, mana? Kaya biasa? Computer table. Ramang mata sih dia. Ramang mata sih. Bryson, don't disturb. Ketan. Takut. Ya. Boy. Closet. Ya. Drawer. IKEA. Oh. Blind, no? Ya, dan just pasang
Put the rest on top ya, masak dia. Gede nih.
Ya Allah.
Mantu deh. Bahasan ikan ya. Apa ini?
Media. Media. Hehe. Jangan tidak tengok. The induction. Until 1000.
Masing-masing.
Masing-masing 700 machine. 650.
Kamu udah tanya blender. Oh,
500. Chest box.
ada apa yang mampu? Oke, soalnya
Can ah.
Can. Ayo member.
No member eh? No net price.
Mai sama ada nak?
Put add the sticker.
Ya. Jadi want to buy gas stove, media deh, 170 ya, 170. Deh, how it look like? Deh, itu test it down there later. Oh, okay, come, we go down. Go downstairs, huh?
Ya benar.
No, don't back. You put it back. Put it back. Yes, put back. Ayan, put back. Huh? Bobby? So, which one? Which one?
Okay. Yeah. The fire is different type of fire. Mm.
Okay, want to pay again. Ah. This one they're using the. Sorry, don't know. Mark. That one is which one? Okay, come.
Ini sama kali galai.
Sano hours one dyan, this one. This one. Sano hours one, people one.
Yes, very good.
Member. Card member. Come on. Collect all the member price, huh? Slowly. Go, babe. Oh, my son, wait for mommy.
Tidak mau buka.
The thing to pen it, the one, enough aja now. The tray.
We got another tray there.
Oh, come, mommy carry. Mommy carry. Medium. Buy one aja now.
And my pen.
This one cannot carry the one heavy.
Iya.
Heavy.
No, put up.
Daddy already got this one already.
Iya.
Last time we have one already, but spoil.
Yeah, that one from DIY.
That one not heavy duty ba? This one pen, want to pen our living room later on. Yellow. What's the name? What's the color now? Nippon. Nippon pen. Hello everybody. So already we bought some of our things already for the house. So actually so long already we want to buy some of the things that we already aim it already lah. So now we want to go for Minum Padang first. Okay, so stay tuned.
Our video.
Okay, correct.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next video.
Okay. So now we are having our Minum Petang here. Present it bakpao.
Bakpao.
Pao that one. Babi putih. Dan ni siobi.
Ready for this?
Macam. Ni siobi dan pao. Ambil nanti pao first.
Pao. Still warm there.
Warm. From the steamer. Still hot. I want to take out this one first. Take out this part. Very big on this pao. Very big.
Very big. Green color.
Green.
The same like the open air one there. Allow me.
Big, thick.
Okay.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessica JVST. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessica JVST to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.